Go, Millie.
Can I whip it?
Rip it.
Sure.
I can't do it, Mama.
You want me to help you?
Yes, 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 yes,
This is paper. Try right here. Try the edges.
yes.
There you go.
And
Is it? Oh my god, it's so cute.
is that princess?
Yes, which princess is it?
Cinderella.
Look, Millie, you want to open it?
Yes.
What does it have in it?
I don't know, Mama. I don't know. I made the open it.
This is from Auntie Nadine
And then
and Uncle James.
Uncle Sam?
Yeah. You're talking in your silly voice.
Yeah.
Look.
What?
It's a beautiful shop. It's all connected to the package, so I can't take it off. And look at this crown. Do you love it?
I
Look,
love it.
rings. These are rings for your fingers.
It was this.
Necklace.
It was this.
It's a necklace.
It was this.
Those are rings.
It was this.
That's your shawl that you wear on your neck.
And
Do you like it?
And then you went on the snow.
Yes, you wear it in the snow. That's right. Do you like
It
it?
was this.
Those are for your fingernails. Those are stickers for your fingernails.
Yeah.
Do you
Say
like
thank
it?
you.
I'll open.
Wait, say
Wait,
thank you.
say thank you.
Thank